This home delivers it all: style, space, and a floor plan designed for the way that families live today.
And imagine starting your day in a community that feels like a nature retreat and ending it in your own private pool oasis. With nearly 2,800 square feet, this home is all about open concept living. The chef's kitchen takes center stage with an oversized island, abundant storage, and a seamless flow into the great room and eating kitchen area. A wall of windows showcase your private pool and outdoor retreat, bringing the best of Florida living right into your home.
Bedrooms 2 and 3 are tucked away in a private wing with their own flex space and bath, while the 4th bedroom offers superior guest space with a full bathroom and nearby pool access. And the main suite, it's oversized, filled with natural light, plantation shutters, and complete with a spa-inspired bathroom.
Step outside to your own retreat: an extended lanai, lush landscaping, a cozy fire pit, and a sparkling saltwater pool. It's everything you need to relax, recharge, and entertain.
With a brand new roof, refreshed pool cage, updated carpet, and key upgrades already completed, this home is not just beautiful, it's move-in ready and built to last.
Beyond your doorstep, this community turns every day into a staycation with 2 pools, a fitness center, nature center, theater, tennis courts, fishing docks, and so much more, all right here at home.
It's more than a neighborhood, it's an experience. Peaceful, family-friendly, resort-style living, and just minutes from shopping, dining, and Tampa Bay's best attractions.
When a community like this meets a home like this,
You don't just find a house, you find the lifestyle you've been dreaming of.